Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Staples detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by determining your total monthly income. This includes your salary, freelance work, or any other sources of income. Next, list all your monthly expenses. Categorize these expenses into fixed, variable, and discretionary spending. Fixed expenses include rent, utilities, and insurance. Variable expenses cover groceries, gas, and transportation costs. Discretionary spending refers to entertainment, dining out, and hobbies. Once you have your list, calculate the total amount of your expenses. Now, subtract your total expenses from your monthly income. This number will indicate whether you have a surplus or deficit. If you have a surplus, consider allocating some towards savings or debt repayment. If you're in a deficit, identify areas to cut back. Utilize Staples budgeting tools to help track your spending. Staples offers various supplies for organizing your financial documents. Consider using a planner to keep your budget activities on track. You can also find budgeting templates on the Staples website. Choose a template that fits your needs and print it out for easy use. Regularly update your budget based on actual expenses to stay on course. At the end of each month, review your budget performance. Analyze where you managed to save and where you overspent. Make adjustments for the upcoming month based on this analysis. Use Staples office supplies to create visual reminders for your budgeting goals. Incentivize your savings by setting up small rewards for achieving budget milestones. Always remember that budgeting is a continuous process. Stay committed to regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget. This will help you achieve your financial goals effectively over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.